Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put BMW X6 in neutral without starting. Begin by engaging the parking brake and keeping the key fob inside the cabin. Depress the brake pedal and press the shift release if needed while maintaining control. Gently move the gear selector to neutral and verify with wheel movement or by a helper. Always use wheel chocks on inclines and never leave the vehicle unattended in neutral. Start by locating the small shift release cover beside the gear selector and carefully pry it open. Use a flat tool or screwdriver to press the internal release while someone gently moves the shifter. Keep the brake depressed during the maneuver to prevent unintended motion. Once the shifter slides into neutral, confirm by feeling the selector and checking wheel-free movement. Secure the vehicle before moving it manually or towing. Before attempting any neutral procedure, chock the wheels and fully engage the parking brake for safety. Never perform this on an incline without professional towing assistance or secure supports. Make sure all helpers understand signals and stay clear of the vehicle path. Wear gloves and eye protection when using tools near the shifter area. If unsure, consult a professional to avoid damage to the transmission or unintended rolling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.